Magandang hapon po ng August 13, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng August 13, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, August 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 13, 2024 Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, August 13, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for August 13, 2024 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.